Hello, friends.
There's no backslide, and there's no place for me. It's okay though, the jokes on the television make me laugh. Remind me that it's okay not to have a backstage or a place to hide. I've got dinner on my plate, got my paycheck yesterday, how great, how cruel. And I've got places, I've got friends, I've got Joey, Ross, and Chandler. There's you. And now we like to say that we're in love. Does it seem like that should be enough? But but I still think, that we're in love. Shoes and jackets with purses and tennis rackets make their way as they please in those SUVs to the country club. Listen, no, I don't play much, but I do enjoy having the ball in my court. And what's more, I like playing for love. I've got ounces, you've got rings. Together we've made some mistakes, but hey, we're doing well. I've got reason to believe in the power of you and me to break this spell. Now, we like to say that we're in love. Does it seem like that should be enough? But the world will roll their eyes, but I still think, I still think that we're in love. We're breaking every string. That's amazing. We're gonna keep going. 'Cause I've got one more question. How is this one big blessing? I don't think that there's a quiz, but if there is, I will be outside, playing in the yard, swinging on monkey bars, exercising my right to this recess, from this lesson that I tried. Together we've made some mistakes, but hey, we're doing well. And I've got reason to believe in the power of you and me to break this spell. And now, we like to say that we're in love. Doesn't it seem like that should be enough? But the world will roll their eyes, but I still think, I still think that we're in love. I still think that we're in love. Even when I've got full strings, we're in love. Well, I still think that we're in love. That's a record. 2 strings in 2 minutes, man. Your energy is high at Public Assembly. Hi, guys.